Very good evening, one and all. Today I am going to demonstrate New Zealand flow cone test, where we are determining the flow time and void content of different types of sand. Basically, we are doing a comparison study between all these four sands in terms of flow time and void content. We have taken natural river sand passing through 4.75 mm, slag sand, processed sand, and crushed stone sand. All these four sands passing through 4.75 mm and oven dried for 1 hour at 104 degree plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. So coming to apparatus, this is the cone with 12.7 mm of orifice and receiver and your uh, base plate with timer, balance, brush, and all these ingredients. Coming to first procedure, all these pre-weighed material, starting from natural sand, we have to pour into the cone. Wait. Place the flow cone in the stand such that the orifice of the cone is placed centrally to the receiving can. It should be at central exactly. Take 1 kg of oven dried sand passing through 4.75 mm and fill the flow cone while the orifice is closed. Next. Open the orifice to allow the sand to flow, and at this instance start recording the time. At same time we have to open the orifice and stop clock we have to on. The time taken for the fine aggregate to empty out the cone and clear the orifice is recorded to the nearest 0.1 second. Yes, can you zoom it? It is 31 seconds. Now, the top of the receiving can is struck off with spatula to remove the excess of heap of the fine aggregate. Then mass of the fine aggregate in receiving can is weighed. Can you zoom it? 1.602. Here. Note down weight. And uncompacted void content is calculated. First, we have to find out the dry density of sand, followed by flow time that we got around 31 seconds for natural sand. Then, using specific gravity, we have to calculate void content in terms of percentage. Same procedure is repeated for slag sand. Please. We have taken 2.62 specific gravity for natural sand. Record. Time records. Can you zoom it? You can take 32 seconds. Flow time is 32 seconds. Just 1 second difference. Is slag sand. We have to remove the excess of slag sand. Note down final weight 1.514. Now, same procedure is repeated for blasting sand. As usual, 1 kg of sand we have to pour into the cone. We have to open the orifice and stop clock at a time. It is around 28 seconds. Can you zoom it? It is 28 seconds. Flow time is 28 seconds. Final weight is 1.578. 1.578 kg. And at last, crushed stone sand, weighed 1 kg. This is the method used widely in New Zealand to find out the flow time, shape, size, and texture, which is all function of flow time and void content. Based on the requirement in New Zealand, they'll go for blending of different source of fine aggregate at different percentage. Final 37 seconds. Crushed stone sand took 37 seconds. So almost you can see the difference in flow time. Natural sand is 31 second, slag sand is 32 second, pea sand is 28 second, and crushed stone sand 37 seconds. So almost all these sands, only just 1 to 2 seconds it matters. But lower the time, sand is flowable and it needs more water in making concrete. Using dry density, specific gravity, we will going to calculate void content. Natural sand, we got 41.8%. Pea sand, we got 42.28%. Slag sand, we got 43.51%. And crushed stone sand, we got 43.89%. Almost all the sand, they are showing 38 to 43% void content. I mean to say, our slag sand falls in the range of natural sand and crushed stone sand. This flow is mainly depend upon the shape, size, and texture, and the friction or cohesion between the aggregates. Lower the flow second, higher will be the workability. Over to Mr. Francis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Yogananda. And you have observed the processed GBS is very close and so close to the natural sand. and the final material has passed very fast, and which is going to give you a higher demand. And the irregular shape materials took long time to pass the entire volume, which is again, is not workable for you. So the exact 100% replacement of natural sand can be made by use of processed GBS. Thank you. That's all from JSW side.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, team.
Thank you very much, Mr. Francis and JSW team. I would now request Dr. Nagendra sir to please felicitate JSW. I welcome BMS College of Engineering Principal sir, Dr. B.V. Ravishankar sir. Welcome, sir. He is the chief guest for valedictory function.